This time I got 2 rounds and trust me, shell down. I'm a chest bit big. Christmas is very merry, the Christmas is very happy. And we just stay and eat some food and I drink some drinks and just all that vibes. You know what I think? Freestyle is Christmas and it's about to go down, so we're gonna take you over to the table and show you what's going on. We have everything. When we say everything, everything. So let's go to the table.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hooray Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Freestyle. This is the table. The table already set. So here we have it. And when I say everything, we mean everything. So we're going to start from here. So what's going on right here? Tell them.
Potato salad.
Alright. Over here, so.
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken. Over there, so.
Macaroni pie.
Alright. And right here.
Rice and peas.
And over here, so.
It's the arm.
And over here, so now.
It's the escovitch fish.
That is it. And over here, so now.
The curry goat.
And right here, so.
The baked chicken.
And here, so.
The roast pork.
And here, so.
The
Oxtail.
Oxtail.
And yes, so we have the gravy them over here, so freestyle. And you know you can't go Christmas without eggnog and sorrel. So right here we have a sorrel. We have sorrel right here. We have eggnog and we have fruit punch and we have sorrel again. Then freestyle, look at this. How beautiful, how coloring, how mouth-watering this food is. Look at this. You're talking about Christmas. As you know, when it comes on to Christmas, we go deep when it comes on to Christmas. So we do it when it comes on to Christmas. We go all out, full out. And the family over here so go and chill. And the table well set and everybody is just waiting to have a merry one. So freestyle, we're going to bless the food and then we're just going to have a feast. So just stay tuned, you know the vibes. We're out here like normal. Freestyle, you know the So freestyle, we just done pray and you know a time to have a feast. I mean like this table is just simply amazing. I mean look at this. The fried fish, curry goat, the baked chicken, the pork, the oxtail, and it's just a complete vibe. The rice over here, so I mean it's just a vibe and we're ready. Merry Christmas from my home to your home, you know the vibes, freestyle. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! All I want for Christmas is food! Sure, how you doing, so? Yo, you don't know, so we're gonna have a feast now, freestyle, so I don't know. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We know we're out here enjoy the holiday. And I mean the sorrel freestyle, you can't go sorrel and have some rare navy rum. So we have the rum here, so and the sorrel there, the eggnog there, the fruit punch there, everything there, so food time. Let's go. Self-serve, innit? Alright, ready to eat? Hungry boy?
Junior, what do you need?
You want mac and cheese pie, Maya?
Huh?
You want mac and cheese pie?
Yes.
Right now.
And I want rice.
Everybody good? Okay. Good, Junior? Maya, you good? Nice. Food and more food, Christmas and more Christmas. It's about time now for the sorrel and the white rum, so. So freestyle, you know, so once you go sorry, I have to go white rum, so I have some rare navy rum right here. I'm gonna pour the rum in. Wait, I want to go for the rum also. Oh. Pour the rum. Then we're gonna pour the sorrel.
Something tastes good.
How is it? How was the food? Good? Alright. Guys, how is the food? Food shot? Like a M16? Alright, that is it. You see this? They're on round 1. We have round 2, round 3 to go, so you know, when I tell you freestyle, the food shot like, I tell you, nothing like a Jamaica Christmas. When we celebrate Christmas, we celebrate it on a different level. I mean, like, food in abundance and it's just a vibe. Freestyle, you know it, but we have to eat up some food and go on with a vibe with the family, so again, Merry Christmas from my home to your home, and I hope each and every one of you guys who are watching this Christmas have an amazing Christmas. And if you don't have an amazing one, you have life, so you have everything, so big up on yourself.
Not around. Okay, move on this stuff, man. Well, let me eat, man.
Round 2 or round 3 there, pan? Round 2?
Round 2.
Right, round 1 or round 2?
1.
Round 1? Boy, I can ramp with food, you see. Junior, round 2, right, Junior? What? Nice. Alright, so Junior there on round 2. And Maya's on round 2. Yo, when I eat here and be merry, it's Christmas. Is that when we round 1 the same way?
Yeah?
Round 1 there on the same way? Okay, alright. When we there on round 1 same way. Shada, what you say?
1.5.
1.5? 3. AJ, 3? Lie.
Early number pan 20. Early pan 20.
Where's the Angel? Where the pan?
20.
No.
That's a story. Where you at?
Now level 2.
Freestyle some sorrel with some white rum tonight. Sorrel with ginger and white rum. I get no better than this.
Cheers, freestyle.
That is it. Yeah, show off and go round to it. Better go and bust. Freestyle all this food. Trust me, they don't want a whole heap more people because I mean, like, it's a lot of food. We can't eat out so much food, right? No, we can't eat out so much. What do you need more people for all this food? Everybody eat and look. The table is still loaded.
What's up, Maya? No, me got that wrong. What's up, Maya?
The table is still loaded. My plate there, so still up on round 1 same in a freestyle, so I have round 2 and round 3 if you go, so you know it go.
And I did, and then you.
When I put my money on Tariq.
How much fake plate that I want there?
Listen, I still about 4 in a row. I got it.
We just the 4, you know?
Stack later, not a regular ticket.
Finish one plate, walk back, finish another, walk
So the man, them a debate who can eat more from who can eat more. Right now, 2 plates. Might have got the hospital tonight because yo, me had comfortable. Yo, we can't sit up, we can't stand up. Yo! This time I got 2 runs and trust me, shell down. I'm a chef, baby. But it survives. Christmas is very merry, the Christmas is very happy. And we just stay and eat some food and I drink some drinks and just all the vibes. You know what I think already. Merry Christmas again from my home to your home, you know the vibes. Santa, me say you come to the door, me not see no bag.
Yeah, man, Santa.
What kind of Santa this is?
I'm so easy now.
Paper. Santa come to the door and we just see Santa come with the bag. Oh, bring the lasagna. Okay. Santa bring lasagna. Okay.
Somebody wear that today.
You only give them come like a baron. He said it's a head.
Alright, Santa.
Look at her. Jesus. Santa.
No, I'll go. What do you music for? I like noise, you know. Right? So I say, you know what? But I can show it up to the go on. Alright. I said, what do you this one here? I say, this one for Shelly. This one for Shelly. Don't really matter. I said, no. And then she was like, oh, mommy and Shelly will share one. So I said, no, man, you want to get one faster than Shelly.
That's right. Let me leave it out here. Without the money, you got one. The extra one.
Because those people, those were my.
What's the difference?
Plus the whole really cool part of that next one.
Right there, right? Wait, what are you doing? That's what I'm doing. That's a new sign. Even though the extra piece was for you, only eat it. We're Junior. Can I be a back with you? No? Junior!
Oh, it's easy.
Okay.
Little body food. What's going on now?
One more time. One more time. Like Christmas tree.
Fuck Christmas tree or something.
One more time. What's that?
That was nice, that's fine.
Smoke a medley time. Smoke a medley time. You can't order real nice.
Come on, man.
You see that? Yeah, come on, you're from this side. Go behind a little bit.
Kodak moment. Picture, Christmas picture.
Everybody look at the camera.